Nation, what's going on? It's your boy Big Vic. Meet the newest addition to the family. I wasn't going to do any type of videos, but I'm going to be upgrading this car. As you can see, it's the Infiniti Q50. I took off that little front bumper brace they drilled into the damn front bumper. And she is dirty. She's gonna get cleaned up today and vacuumed. I'm actually finna head into work. But this is the Q50. Bought it at CarMax. All-wheel drive. This is the 3.7 premium. So got the roof. Keyless entry. The standard alloy wheels. We got the stone interior. Two-tone black and stone. Or black and tan. However you want to call it. Of course, dual screens and all that. You've seen that in a lot of videos. But we're going to do mine a little bit different. Because my number one gripe with this vehicle is the sound system. I don't care what you say. In my personal opinion, this Bose sound system is absolute and utter trash. But I digress.